Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to compare Cloudpanel versus Cyberpanel. Which control panel is best in 2025? This comparison helps you choose the right solution for your specific hosting needs in today's technology landscape. Cloudpanel, free cloud optimized control panel focused on simplicity and resource efficiency. Cyberpanel, feature-rich panel powered by LiteSpeed servers. Common features, both provide one-click app. When we are talking about technical architecture, Cloudpanel, multi-cloud integration, lower resource requirements. Cyberpanel, optimized for WordPress and WooCommerce, advanced caching. Over here you can check performance comparison, static context, dynamic context, memory usage, and traffic. Key features: Cloudpanel, simple setup process, strong cloud scaling, minimal extras, developer friendly. Cyberpanel, WordPress manager, staging environments, advanced backup systems. So best for Cloudpanel developers and agencies, Cyberpanel hosting providers, and your exact hosting needs and workflows should guide your final decision. Consider your priorities. That's all for today, guys. Thanks for watching. See you in the next